everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now for today's video, we're gonna do a little experiment. Now over the last 2 weeks, we were trying to figure out what has a better organic reach, purely organic IG Reels versus TikTok, a rivalry for the ages. Now, a lot of companies do not have the resources to constantly post on both platforms, so I'm here to show you, in my experience, which platform had the most organic reach. Now, we're not gonna do any promoting, there's no money involved. We're gonna use accounts that do not have big followings, and we're gonna post the exact same content. Now, back in the day, I used to film a lot of real estate. I filmed some pretty spectacular homes, and I'm gonna use that footage and post it both on TikTok and Instagram. Now, I've seen footage like this explode on both platforms, so I know it's possible, but I want to see which platform has the most organic reach and if we can go viral. All right, let's get into the experiment. Now, day number one, it was pretty crazy. Now, we decided to post one of the top houses that I filmed. I thought it was a great way to start off this experiment. Now, first we decided to post it on IG Reels and then TikTok. Both of these were within a 30-minute time frame. I wasn't posting one in the morning and another one in the afternoon. We both posted these like right after each other. And this footage, to me, I thought it was one of our best clips. So I wanted to start off on a very strong foot and see what would happen. All right, so on the first day, the IG Reel got a total view count of 1,616. That was pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that high of a number. To be honest, I was expecting in the couple hundreds range, but I was purely satisfied with this performance of this video, and it was a good momentum builder. We could build off of this to the next one. Get a lot of fresh views, fresh eyes on our stuff. So let's switch over to TikTok. Now, TikTok is known for random videos going viral. You don't have to have the most sub count. You could just be anyone, and depending on what the algorithm picks up, your video can go gangbusters. That's not what happened with us. The first video that we did, we got a total view count of 5. Not 500, 5. The only good thing that we did was we had a 100% engagement rate. We had 5 views and 5 likes. Now, one of them was me, obviously, but now I don't know why this video didn't perform that well. Maybe it's just because it was our first one and we're just starting out. Maybe it was the song, maybe it was the hashtags. TikTok is notorious for not really caring about hashtags. So we're gonna use this and then change it up each video to try to see if we can get a little bit more traction. But after day one, TikTok, 5 IG Reels, 1,616 eyeballs on your stuff. IG Reels pulling away pretty drastically in the organic reach column. All right, so let's go to day 2, 3, and 4. Now remember, we posted the exact same content at the exact same time. So for IG Reels, we posted a similar drone clip to the same house just at night. Night content seems to be doing a little bit better. It's a little more magical. So after we posted this one, we got a total organic reach count of 1,464. Now, just a little bit under our first video, but if this is gonna be our consistent view count, I'm good. This is fantastic for just a purely organic reach standpoint. Imagine just being able to get in front of over 1,000 people daily for free. It's fantastic. We were very satisfied with this. Now day 3, we posted this clip. It was a combination of drone shots and interior shots. We were kind of experimenting a little bit with this, and for this guy, it got a total view count of 187. Now, not as good as the $200 million home. Still not terrible, not great, right in the middle. This is kind of what I was expecting, like this amount of views. But now that we tasted the thousand view count lifestyle, I didn't want to go back. And then day 4, we decided to do the same thing. We posted a day video and then a night video of the same home to see which one performed better. And this one did not. This one only got 94 views. Now, it could have been a combination of things. Maybe it was just timing, the hashtags, the song. The footage was just as good, just as sexy, but for some reason, it didn't get out there. Which not every video is going to perform the way that you want, but it is important to keep on pushing through. So the total view count for days 2, 3, and 4 on IG was 1,745. Now let's switch to TikTok. Now with TikTok, I just want to keep on driving home. We did the same 3 videos. So for day number 2, we did the night clip of the first video. And remember, it only got 5 views. For this one, we got 159. Now, personally, I thought this video was going to do a lot better purely on the content standpoint, just because of how gorgeous this house was and how compelling all the footage is. I thought this one would do a lot better, but it didn't. But we keep on chugging along. We're going to go to the next one. So with the next one, it was a separate house, same as IG Reels. We had a total view count of 151. And then going on to day number 4, the lowest performing video so far on IG Reels got a total view count, let's see, of 158 on TikTok. So if you add all those up, it is 468 on TikTok, to 1,745 on IG. So IG between days 1 through 4, way better. It's a lot less consistent. The TikTok videos seem to be getting around 100 and 200 views. The IG Reels videos, 1,090. Like there's a lot more of a discrepancy. All right, so now we're gonna move on to days 5 through 7. Now we're going to start with TikTok this time. So days 5, 6, and 7 had a view count of 160. It's a little weird, the exact view count. And then 26. Again, these videos themselves were kind of my favorite. The 26 view count was just a straight fly through of a Malibu beach house. It was really cool to me. Did not perform that well. So the total view count was 346. Now switching to IG Reels, this was a down few days. The same 3 videos got 85, 73, and 68. So they got a total view count of 226. So for this few days, TikTok outperformed them. Like I said, they're a little more consistent, whereas IG Reels is just all over the place. All right, now for days 8, 9, and 10. So on IG Reels, day number 8 was our best day yet. We got 3,508 views from a very, very beautiful drone shot. It was a very beautiful reveal, and our audience loved it. Day number 9 and 10, not so much. So day number 9, a very similar drone shot of a different house, got a view count of 78. And then we also did some night drone shots of the first house that we did, and it only got a view count of 59. So totaling it everything, obviously very front heavy, is 3,645. Now if we switch back to TikTok, for the final 3 videos in this experiment, we got a view count of 139 instead of the 3,000, 157, and then 154 for the final video. So the final 3 days, TikTok had a total view count of 450, and IG had a total view count of 3,645. So if we add everything up, the organic reach of TikTok was 1,269. So this is zero promotion. This is just putting your content out there and see how many people see your stuff. Over 1,000 people saw my TikToks. Now, if we switch back to IG, same thing, same videos. We got a total view count of 7,232, which is 83% better. Now, TikTok and IG, a little bit different of platforms. There's different stuff that would go viral on IG, and then also different stuff would go viral on TikTok. I just want to do this experiment to see whether the same content, which one would outperform the other. And obviously, IG Reels did a whole lot better. Now we got 1 new follower from this experiment on TikTok, and then we got 7 new followers on IG Reels. TikTok did outperform IG Reels by engagement numbers. During my engagement was just under 5% for TikTok, and then around 3% for IG. So more views did not equal more engagement. But overall, this is gonna be the first experiment of many. All right, and that is all we got for today's video. If you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you next time. Peace.